Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, and this wig is so freaking cute and it screams summertime. This wig is from SejaydaF Wigs. This is their ombre brown curly bob wig with a bang. Now you guys, this wig is completely different than anything else that I've ever tried before, and honestly I am loving it. I love the brown ombre. I love the little curls in the front for the bangs. I think it's really cute, and she is 100% glueless. So I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing, of course. So once again, this wig is from SejaydaF Wigs, and this is their ombre brown curly wig with a bang. Now that brown ombre is so nice and is even prettier in person. I feel like the camera wasn't doing it justice, but in the sunlight it'll pop. Inside the wig you have 4 combs, the adjustable straps at the bottom, and then you also have that adjustable strap right in the middle. I'm also going to give you guys a close-up of that lace as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into this install. Now you guys, this install is going to be very quick. I will consider this like a 30-second wig install. Definitely beginner friendly as well, because we are just going to throw this wig on and just go about our business. Trust me, it's that easy. So the first thing you want to do is add some makeup onto that lace. I like to do a nice thin layer of foundation, and then you're going to throw the wig on. Now when I throw the wig on, I do make use of those combs. Those combs help to keep the wig even more secure along with the elastic band, but it's completely up to you if you want to use it or not. Me personally though, I don't mind using them. They're not uncomfortable to me. So after I use the combs, I'm kind of seeing how the wig is looking, and then I go ahead and I cut off that additional lace that we do not need. And also you guys, we will be keeping this wig 100% glueless, which you guys know I don't use glue anyways, but we will not be using any type of spray to secure this lace down. This is 100% no glue, no spray, no product whatsoever. So if you are like allergic to products, or maybe you're just not the best at securing your lace or anything like that, this is a nice wig for you because you don't have to do any of that. And when you guys see how this lace just melts on its own, like, you're gonna be shocked. Okay you guys, so the lace is off, and as you guys can see, that lace is super melted, and I did not really need to add foundation on the edges, but whatever I see in my mirror, if I need to add foundation, then I'm going to. But now that I'm looking at the footage, like, the lace was just melted on its own, which is great. Now this wig does have bangs, so we don't have to worry about that anyways, but I did just want to show you guys how great this lace was on this wig. So another good thing about this wig is that even though she is a nice curly wig with bangs, we still have that lace area, so that when somebody looks past the bangs, it still looks like it's your hair. Me personally, I like wigs with bangs, but I prefer the lace to still be there. That way it looks natural and it's not completely closed off. So obviously I'm going to stick with the middle part because we have the bangs, and I'm just securing it with my wax stick and my hot comb. Okay you guys, 3 minutes and 40 seconds in, and that install is already completed. Well, technically it was completed before then. We were just adding some more makeup in certain areas. So I told you guys it was going to be very easy, very beginner friendly. You do not need any skills to install this wig, trust me. So now it's just time to refresh these curls, and all I'm doing is just saturating the hair with some water. I'm smoothing it in with my hands, and wherever I feel like I need to add some more water, then I will. I did not like get the hair soaking wet, but just saturated enough to where the hair was like pretty much fully wet, I guess you can say, but it wasn't like too wet. I don't know if I'm making sense right now, but anyways, I'm just going to finger detangle, and then once I feel like the water is distributed evenly throughout all the hair strands, that's pretty much what I was trying to say earlier, then I will go ahead and add some mousse, and the mousse just really helps to just refresh the curls and just really make them pop. Okay, so this is how the hair was looking when it was wet. Now obviously the color looks a lot darker, but when you guys see what it looks like dry, the color pops once again and you really get that brown ombre. Here we go. So this is what the hair was looking like when it was dry. Now it was looking a little too flat for me at the top, so I just used a pick to really pick it out. Now depending on how you like your wigs, you can fluff it as much as you want to with the blow dryer, diffuser, and a pick, just like how you would with your natural hair. So it's completely up to you, but I like mine to be a little toned down but just still kind of make a statement, so just not too much. So I just did it to my liking. Okay, you guys, we are finished. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig. I think the brown ombre is completely different and I just know that she is going to really stand out in the sunlight. This wig screams summer and I think the bangs is a really cute touch. I will have the direct link to this wig listed in the description box down below so that you guys could go ahead and check it out. Shout out to Soul Lady Wigs and thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time.